Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. So today we are going to see how to uninstall a program on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So over time, you have gone and installed lots of different programs. Perhaps you want to go and uninstall one which is just taking up space, and maybe you just don't use it, or there could be another reason. It doesn't really matter. We will guide you through this today. So at first, what you need to do is go and open up the app finder. Come to the left of your dock and click on it. Then you can go over to the left and you can select applications. Scroll through here and find the app you wish to go and uninstall. In this case, I want to uninstall AnyDesk here. So what we need to do is go and click on it, hold it and drag it. And then you can drag it to the bin like so. And there we go, we have now dragged it to the bin. What you can then do is go and click on the move of 2 fingers and press empty bin. We'll go and confirm my decision, and that's it. That's going to go and uninstall it. Now if I press search at the top of my Mac and go type in AnyDesk, you're going to see how it doesn't go and it pops up. It's that really simple. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.